Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding mountain bike that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kingttu KTG6 folding mountain bike. Are you looking for a folding mountain bike that is easy to maneuver? If that is the case, you should get Kingttu KTG6 folding mountain bike. This bike features a lightweight design making it easy to move. Plus, it features double-wall fashion rims. These are light and easy to control, further enhancing portability. The bike includes Shimano 21-speed front, rear derailleur to help you move at high speeds. More to that, it includes a shifter designed to deliver a reliable shifting experience. The disc brake is another plus of the bike, designed to ensure reliable stopping. Also, there are free pedals and a comfortable seat. With these, you can ride the bike over long distances with an assurance of comfort. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Scirusher FR100 folding mountain bike. If you are looking for a perfect folding bike designed for use on the sand, mud, or road, you can get the Scirusher FR100 folding mountain bike. This bike is equipped with unique fat tires. The tires can take you through different road terrains so that you can take it with you wherever your adventures require. Adding to that, it includes a high-quality suspension fork with a shock absorption feature. As a result, the bike is a perfect choice to one that will let you cruise easily and smoothly over a range of terrains. You can use the bike on flat ground, sloppy, or hilly areas, thanks to the 24 speeds and the front, rear disc brakes that allow you to stop with a lot of ease. At number 3, we have the Murtisol Folding Bike 20 hybrid bicycle. Enjoy a safe and comfortable ride once you get the Myrtisol folding bike. The bike features an ultra-lightweight material which makes it easy to maneuver. Further, it features a 6-speed drivetrain and a Power V brake system. These work together to guarantee safety and secure stopping when moving on flat or sloppy areas. The bike is built to last, thanks to the high-tech thickening tires, high-tech folding frame, quality alloy riser bar, alloy double-wall rims, and the heavy-duty kickstand. Also, it is designed to hold different users comfortably. The reason behind this is the adjustable seat height, designed for users with a 5 feet 1 inch to 5 feet 7 inches height, and its ability to hold users of up to 220 pounds. At number 2, we have the Columba 26 inches folding bike W. Shimano 18-speed silver, SP26S_SLV. Ride in style and convenience once you get the Columba 26 inches folding bike. The bike comes while 90% assembled so that you can get it to the road within minutes of arrival. It features a lightweight design and a frame that folds within 10 seconds to enhance easy storage and transportation. The bike is designed for riders with a height of 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 0 inches, thanks to the adjustable seat post. You can expect the bike to support users with a weight of up to 200 pounds due to the strong frame. The bike includes a PVC black bell designed to enhance safety. Also, there is an alloy front and rear V-brake designed to ensure fast and easy stopping. And finally, at number 1, we have the ANCHEER Power Plus electric mountain bike. If the best folding mountain bike means an electric mountain bike that features a foldable design, then I would like to recommend the ANCHEER Power Plus electric mountain bike. The bike features an ultra-lightweight aluminum frame which makes it easy to maneuver. Adding to that, it includes a 21-speed Shimano transmission system. Because of this, you can expect it to climb over hills with a lot of ease. The front and rear disc brakes are another addition of the bike designed to ensure consistency when stopping. You can ride the bike over a range of terrains, thanks to the 26 inches magnesium alloy wheels that feature anti-slip tires to ensure perfect gripping. Also, the bike offers the versatility of 3 working modes, where you can use it an e-bike, normal bike, or assisted bike. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.